Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious here, but I will anyways, just to establish some context. But overall, a very nice bounce on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, but then the price was able to battle back up to where it has. Now, sure, it did pull back from the highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where the price was able to bounce back up to, good solid move. But that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 775. Why is that level so important? And I'm not saying this will actually happen, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 775, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of the range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 775. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch closely moving forward. You're going to be right up there at $8.45, and then after $8.45, next key level of resistance after that, right up there around $8.80. So yeah, as of right now, nice little bounce underway, but now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.